I can't believe it. It is really 2050. This cannot be real.
Usually, it's the generator outside. But today, there is nothing. No conductor yelling Oshodi, only this impossible date.
Wait. Waiting? No be possible. Jesus, wetin happen? Lagos? Is this really my Lagos? First time for this side? First time? Bro, na Lagos be this? Of course na Lagos. Which other place?
Good morning, welcome.
Good morning, welcome. Abeg, make this thing no follow me.
Relax, na delivery robot be that.
Delivery robot in Nigeria?
Payment confirmed.
Wait, I never pay.
Payment was completed through your biometric wallet.
Biometric what?
Oga, welcome to 2050.
Now wow. Trust me, you no one understand.
Young man, how did you know?
Grandpa, na really like this Nigeria be before?
Yes, my boy.
People really dey enter traffic
Sometimes
for hours.
5 hours
5
more.
hours just to go house?
You no go understand.
Location identified.
No way. This can't be my place. I know this place. Everything don't change. August 10, 2026. So I no just wake up for 2050. I jump through time.
The screen comes alive. You see Nigeria changing with clean energy and new industries. Nigerian engineers are designing global technology. Watch cities across Nigeria become prosperous. Nigeria did not change overnight. It was built brick by the hands of everyday people, believing in a shared future, working together for tomorrow.
So now ordinary people build all this. Yes. Or more. We really fit do am. So now dream be this? So now dream be this? Maybe. Or maybe na God they show us wetin Nigeria fit become. Because 2050 no be magic. Na wetin we build today. Nigeria, we fit do am.